Hello everyone, I am Swarnima Saxena and I am extremely sorry for posting my video so late. Now we have to begin with a new topic, that is human digestive system. Human digestive system. Mouth, esophagus, that is food pipe, stomach, small intestines and large intestines. We all well know where are these organs situated and the various glands which helps in digestion. There are some glands which helps in the digestion process, that is salivary gland, liver and pancreas. We must remember that liver is the largest gland. Some various steps for the process of digestion. It starts with digestion, absorption, assimilation and ingestion. It is the basic process by which we inject the food into our body, like we eject food into our mouth. Then the process of digestion. Digestion is the process when the food starts to break into small components. Then comes absorption. Absorption is the process in which the food is so smallly grinded that it starts to and mix into the blood. Then assimilation. Assimilation is the process in which the mixed blood can go around our body to assimilate it. Then egestion. Egestion is basically known as excretion. Now let's begin the study of human digestive system. It starts with the mouth. Our mouth contains teeth which grind the food into small particles. The salivary, and it also has a gland under the tongue which is called the salivary gland. It releases the saliva and it also releases an enzyme known as salivary amylase. The saliva helps to wet the food, and the wetted food easily moves down to the esophagus. Esophagus is also known as the food pipe. When the food is coming down from, it shows the movement of contraction and expansion, and that movement is known as peristaltic movement. It helps the food to come down into the stomach. Now the food in the stomach is in the semi-solid form and it is now breaking into smaller particles. Now there are three types of glands present in our stomach. It releases three types of enzymes, that is hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. The enzyme pepsin begins the digestion of protein present in the smaller molecules. Thus, the protein digestion begins in the stomach. The function of hydrochloric acid in the stomach is to make the medium of the gastric juice acidic, so that the enzyme pepsin can digest the proteins properly. If the mucus is not secreted, hydrochloric acid will cause the erosion of inner lining of stomach, leading to the formation of ulcers in stomach. Small intestine receives the secretion of two glands, that is liver and pancreas. Liver secretes bile. Bile is a yellowish and greenish liquid made in the liver, which is normally stored in the gallbladder. Bile is alkaline in nature. Alkaline means it is basic in nature and contains salts which may help to emulsify or break the fats. It makes the acidic food coming from the stomach alkaline to the so that the pancreatic enzymes can act on it. Bile breaks the fat present into the food into smaller globules, making it easy for the enzymes to act upon it. Now, the walls of small intestines contain glands which secretes interstitial juice. The intestinal juices contains number of enzymes which complex carbohydrates. Into the glucose, the protein into the amino acids and fats, into fatty acid and glycerol. Glucose, amino acids, fatty acids and glycerol are small water-soluble minerals. In this way, the process of digestion converts the large and insoluble food molecule into small and water-soluble molecules. The chemical digestion of the food is brought about by biological catalyst named enzyme. Enzymes are the basic biological catalyst which change or enhances the rate of a reaction. Now here comes the process of absorption. After the digestion, the molecules of food become so small that they can pass through the walls of the intestines, which contain blood capillaries, and go into our blood. The intestine is the main region for absorption of food. Next comes the process of assimilation. The inner cell wall of small intestine has millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. The presence of villi gives the inner walls of the small intestines a very large surface area so that it can trap the food. Then comes assimilation. The blood carriers digested and dissolved food to all parts of the body where it comes assimilated to our blood cells of the parts of our body. The assimilated food is used by the body cells for obtaining energy as well as the growth and repair of the body. Energy released by the oxidation of assimilated food during the respiration. Digestion, a part of food which we cannot be digested in our body. Digestion is the process, is the basic that the food that our body cannot consume. Then comes the dental. This is the basic structure of the digestive system. You can also draw this in your exam. No one will cut your marks. This is the basic. This is the enamel. Enamel is the hardest part of our body. Then comes another layer that is known as dentine. And then comes the pulp cavity. Pulp cavity which contains the nerves in our teeth. And these are the gums which help the teeth to embed in our jaw. Our human body consists of 32 teeth, 16 up and in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. There are two types of teeth. One is of milk teeth and the other is permanent teeth. Dental caries. Dental caries means when the acid formation takes place on the surface of the enamel and it starts to decay our enamel and it further moves down and which cause the pain in our teeth. Which cause pain in our tooth. Then if we eat so much of sweets, then the bacteria will act upon the sugary particle left on our teeth and it will produce acid, and the calcium of the teeth will dissolve with it and it will start to decay the teeth. Decay the tooth. This is known as dental carie. If must clear our teeth regularly twice a day. So here we come to the end of our topic, human digestive system. And if you have any queries related to the topic, you may comment in the comment box. In the next part, we will study about the human respiratory system. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do remember to click the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.